Hi friends, welcome to Vocabloom, where words grow like flowers. Today's word is happy. Our first word is happy. Say it with me, happy. Let's spell it. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Happy means feeling good or joyful. Say feeling good. Now let's learn the opposite of happy. It's sad. Say it with me, sad. Let's spell it S-A-D, sad. Sad means feeling unhappy. Say, feeling unhappy. Here's a sentence with both words. She is happy when she plays, but sad when the game ends. Let's say it together. One more time. She is happy when she plays, but sad when the game ends. Let's remember what we learned today. Let's say our words again. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Happy, feeling good or joyful. Sad, feeling unhappy or upset. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, sad, S-A-D. You did amazing. Say, I love learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun words with Vocabloom. See you next time. Grow your English, one word at a time.